Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to unlock ChatGPT Plus features for free. So if you've seen videos claiming there's a secret method to permanently get ChatGPT Plus without paying, then here's what you should know. The truth is, there isn't a legitimate way to permanently unlock ChatGPT Plus features for free. Features like higher usage limits, faster responses during peak times, and access to premium capabilities require an active ChatGPT Plus subscription. So you need to be careful with websites, browser extensions, or apps that claim to generate free ChatGPT Plus accounts or activation codes, because many are scams that could compromise your account or your personal information. From time to time, OpenAI or selected partners may offer official promotions or limited access to certain premium features, but these vary by region and availability. So to see the plans available for your account, you need to sign into your ChatGPT account and check the upgrade or plan section. So that's the truth about getting ChatGPT Plus features for free. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.